Working on Etsy involves setting up an online shop to sell handmade or vintage items, as well as craft supplies and unique goods. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started on Etsy. 1. Create an Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website, www.etsy.com, and click on Sell on Etsy to create your account. Provide the necessary information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. 2. Set up your shop. After creating an account, click on Open your Etsy shop to begin the shop setup process. Choose a name for your shop that reflects your brand and the type of products you sell. 3. Customize your shop. Personalize your shop's appearance by adding a shop banner, logo, and shop policies. Write a compelling shop announcement and create descriptive sections for your shop to inform potential customers about your products and processes. 4. Add your listings. Start adding your products to your shop by clicking on the Add a Listing button. Provide clear and accurate descriptions, including measurements, materials used, and any customization options. Add high-quality photos that showcase your products in the best possible way. 5. Set pricing and shipping. Determine the prices for your products, taking into account factors such as materials, labor, and overhead costs. Consider offering competitive prices while ensuring your business remains profitable. Set up your shipping options, including domestic and international rates, and choose the most suitable shipping carriers. 6. Manage your inventory. Keep track of your inventory to ensure you have enough stock of your products. Update your listings promptly when items sell out or when you introduce new products. 7. Optimize your listings. Use relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your shop's visibility in Etsy's search results. Research popular keywords in your niche and incorporate them naturally into your listings. 8. Promote your shop. Utilize social media platforms, such as Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, to promote your Etsy shop and products. Engage with your audience by sharing behind-the-scenes content, offering promotions, and interacting with potential customers. 9. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries and messages promptly, provide accurate and detailed information, and strive to exceed customer expectations. Promptly fulfill orders and ship them within the specified timeframe. 10. Continuously improve. Pay attention to customer feedback and reviews to identify areas for improvement. Regularly assess your product offerings, pricing strategy, and marketing efforts to refine and optimize your Etsy shop. Remember, building a successful Etsy shop takes time and effort. Focus on creating high-quality products, delivering exceptional customer service, and continuously evolving your shop to meet the needs and preferences of your target audience. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.